Yo, what's up? Ace Morales here. You're tuned into Voices Unplugged, where raw and filtered conversation are found.
Today, we're going to talk about what happened during our interview with Gladys Bluma. But before we proceed, my name is Chris Margaret Giranigo.
And my name is Cedric Hernandez.
Hindi na pagbigyan.
It's exciting because it's my first time to meet Gladys Bluma.
I'm feeling excited and nervous at the same time because it's also my first time to meeting a band in person.
And me, I'm so excited and nervous because it's my first time to meet them. And also, it's my dream to form a band like them.
That's beautiful.
Hindi kita kinala.
For me, maybe it's, my bias is Kevin because he amazed me how he plays.
So for me, my bias is Nico because I like how he play the solos from their songs.
Wow.
And me, my bias in Gladys Bluma is Kuya Mati because I like his voice and personality.
Sa ilalim ng
No, because I never dreamed of being in a band in the future.
Me it's also no because I have no confidence in playing in front of many people.
For me, yes, because that's. I think yes, because it's my dream to form a band like them, and also I want to boost my confidence to show many people how I play instrument.
Nice, bro.
Okay.
mawalay pa sa iyong
When there is the new Alpha in 2024.
Me since 2024 when my old classmate introduced them to me and I really like the genre of their song and I don't know anymore.
Cut! When they performed here in Sapang Valley National High School back February 14, 2025.
They come up with the name of Gladys Bluma.
Me when they perform in front of us, perform their songs in front of us like it was a free concert.
For me is the No, don't cut it. I think when Gladys Bluma and Cedric jam and play Buli Sayaw and Martin Nievera by Kamikaze.
Alright.
And lastly, the importance of our topic is forming a band teaches teamwork, patience, and dedication in achieving a shared goal. To everyone who's listening, go stream Gladys Bluma on Spotify. You will love their song. Thank you.
mayakap at mahagkan kita. Oh Maria Clara kong mahal, sana ay di na muli mawalay pa sa iyong pagmamahal. Oh aking sinta, kahit di man ngayon sumangay.
Ma'am! Ingat!
Ingat po!
Okay.
Kayo.
One, two.
Game na!
Okay, one. And lastly then, for high school in... Ay, back. February 4th. Basta tumawa na lang kayo. Flow, boy, flow.
What did you feel when you met Gladys Bluma?
Nothing.
Who's your bias in Gladys Bluma?
My bias is Kuya Benedicto.